I'm Ian Crampsie from ATD Paint and Decorate. Today, I bring you a review on behalf of Trade Decorators TV. The product we will be reviewing, bam, the Purdy's painted storage box. So we've got an extension pole holder at the back. Also got a wet brush and roller bin cover, a dedicated storage bar, featuring 2 extra large boxes. They are very big. What I do love about this as well is these wheels, they're replaceable, so you can get replacements if they're ever damaged or worn. So I don't know if you can get like all weather tyres on it, Formula 1 style, I don't know. So it's got really solid catches on it. And the other thing that I like is the seals on them, so you know when that shuts you've got a nice seal. It's IP rated, 65, rated for water and dust, so it's resistant. So it's IP65. So that's it, we've filled this box to capacity. Now we're going to take it on site just to show you what it's like and how it handles in a proper working environment. So wish me luck getting this in the van, as it weighs a ton. But we'll fill you in on that in a moment. So I must admit, one of my main concerns when this turned up and I saw the size of it, I thought, how is this going to get in my van? Especially if trying to lift it or wheel it on, you need a special ramp. But I believe the only way you can do it safely is by taking it to bits, so we'll show you how we do that now. I've stacked this. So I haven't emptied out the van like most people would, because I want it to be like simulated to how it would be every day. It was a bit of a struggle getting it in the side door, so I recommend probably putting it in through the rear. So we've got it in the back. You can't hear it rattling around, it's solid, secure. Excuse the state of the van, I blame the apprentice. So we've arrived at the job, as we said earlier, absolute miles away. It's an absolute godsend that we've got this kit. It's going to save us and our legs probably 10-15 trips for all the stuff that we're going to need. So let's show you this beast. So in order to get it in, what we've done is we've just locked down the one side. More stuff you put in. If you fill it full of cotton, it's not going to be heavy, is it? But if you want it to fill full of your tools and less trips, then you'll fill it up. Ooh. Okay. Okay.
It's moving.
Oh yes. Thank you to the builders. There we go. Like over the road. All the way through the lawn. So this is everything that we've got in the boxes, from extension leads to laser levels, Mercer sanding pads, tubes of cork, paper smoothers, cups, damp beaters, sandpaper, cork gun. We've got in here, we've got our stain blocks. We've got 3 rolls of tape and drape. We've got filler. We've got lots of beautiful brushes, methylated spirits, paint conditioner, filling blades, you name it, we've got it all. And that would take so many trips to the van. So what they've done, Purdy's done, is they've kind of created this with the decorator in mind. Obviously they're a decorating brand, but these racks, I find, although they're a good idea, it's a lot of wasted space when you could be cramming it full of goodies like I have done. But it's each to your own, you might like that. We're going to put this back together now so that we can get it back in the van. Same massive trip that we had before. All my stuff in there. We have literally jam-packed this for the purpose of this review, and like I say, it's brilliant. It all fits in really smoothly. You see, it's got these little circles. You know, you could even put your cup of tea in there, and there's kind of a male side and a female side, so you know when it's in place because it kind of slots in. The clips are really, really sturdy. When you hear that bang, you know that you've done it. Again, it's very quick to take apart. I really love this. I think it's fantastic. It's going to save me so much time. Everything I need here, I don't have to keep going back and forth to the car. It does have its kind of downsides. It is quite heavy to use, but you can bypass that by taking it to bits as and when you put it in the van and take it out. You've seen how long it takes. It takes minutes, and you know, I love that bit. The only sort of criticism I have is if you are using it on hard terrain like gravel and stuff like that, the clearance between the floor and the wheels, maybe that needs configuring and looking at it in the future. But other than that, I think it's amazing. I was going to buy one of these, and I would say it's well worth the money, because people look at the price tag and they're soon put off because they think, oh, whatever it is, 200 quid, 180 quid, whatever it is, it's not worth it. But it is, because that time, you know, you buy it once and it's going to save you so much time over the years. So for me, I am giving this product, I'm going to say 8.756. So this is the end of the review. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Thank you to Paula from Decorator TV. Please like, share, subscribe, put any comments on. I'll be happy to answer any questions. Thank you to Purdy.